Hello, vintage outboard motor fans. This is T-Mike here at Toledo Bend Lake, making another video today. Today's video is going to be on a lake test run on restore number 128. It's a 1966 9.5 horsepower Johnson for Bill here in Natchitoches. I've been working on this motor for a while. This has been a real challenge for me. This motor had a little bit of everything going on it. It had, of course, trouble with the carb, rebuilt the magneto, and it had trouble with the kill switch working on it. I got it taken care of. Had the gear case leaking, shift boot, and then I had cooling problems with it. Had to clean out the exhaust chamber on it. Just one thing after another, but I did eventually get her going good. She runs great in the barrel. I'm about to take her out on the lake for the lake test run. So if everybody's ready for that, here we go. Well, we're out here on the lake and she runs good. Been running her about 15 minutes and she gets about 15 miles per hour on my little 14-foot Feathercraft John boat here. It's pretty good. Pretty good for a 9.5. So let's crank her up and take her for a spin. Starts right up. Here we go. She runs pretty good. Gonna make a good motor for Bill. I think he wants to give it to his grandson. '66 9.5 horsepower Johnson. Let's take her on in. Make a good one for you, Bill. See you on the next video. Well, thanks for watching the video. I'd like to take this time to share with you some of the offerings that I have here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards. The first thing is my eBay store. I have over 2,000 parts in my eBay store, almost anything you need for your vintage outboard motors. Johnson and Evinrude, 1950s and 60s, 20 horsepower and less. Have the link to my eBay store and all of these services down below in the description. Second thing is technical consulting. I offer technical consulting to help with your outboards, $40 an hour. Just buy one of these and you get an hour's worth of consulting. If it's 5 or 10 minutes of a question or two and you want to call me, it's free. Just call me. My phone number is 337-278-5429. I answer my phone all the time. All right. Next thing I do is I started selling kits for your motors. I have a master tune-up kit for doing your ignition magnetos. I have the coils, points and condensers, spark plug wire, spark plugs, and I also sell all of these parts individually. All right. Next thing I started offering now is fuel pump conversion kits. the FPCs to upgrade from a dual line to a single line. Offer a kit for the 7.5s, for the 10 horsepowers, and for the 15 and 18 horsepowers. All right. The next thing I do is I service, repair, and restore. I've done over 130 full restores. I do a light restore for $9.50. I do a full restore for $12.50, and I do service and repair work for $40 an hour plus parts. All right. And also I have T-Mic caps and mouse pads for sale. All right, join the T-Mic Club and buy you some of these. So the links for all this are down below. And also I have over 280 videos now on everything you need to know. If you come up with something that you find I don't have a video for, just hit me up on this channel or on my phone number, and I'll try to do it for you. Thanks so much. And remember, always remember, and never forget, we're doing it one motor at a time.